Ever wondered how to work seamlessly with your team on the same Word document without emailing multiple versions back and forth? Today, I'm going to show you how to master real-time collaboration in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a report, proposal, or brainstorming ideas, this guide will transform the way you and your team create documents together. First things first, to collaborate in real time, save your document to the cloud. Go to the File tab, select Save As, and choose OneDrive or SharePoint. Then, just click the Share button, enter your teammates' emails, and set their permissions. Once shared, you can see changes as they happen. No more merging edits. Use autosave to make sure your document is always up to date. To go further, use It Mentions in Comments to notify specific people, and use threaded comments to keep feedback organized. Finally, don't forget to check version history to track edits or revert changes, and use Restrict Editing for sensitive documents. Real-time collaboration in Word saves time, keeps everyone on the same page, and makes document creation more efficient. Next time you need to work on a document, forget email attachments and embrace real-time collaboration.